Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today I chose a recipe from our website. I've been craving these crackers again, so I want to make some and the hubby. So they are called low carb cheese crackers, and they're super easy to make. The kids love them, and I hope you love them too. So let's get started. So I'll read off the recipe from our website, faith_keto-kitchen.com. And the recipe consists of 1.5 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of cheese powder. So this is the cheese powder that we get off of Amazon, and I'll put a link below. It's Anthony's brand. It's delicious. You can. My husband likes to put this on pork rinds, like as if he's eating cheese popcorn. He loves it. My daughter does too, actually, just to give her a shout out. And it's really good, guys. It's a dried powdered cheese, and you can put it on like the Miracle noodles, or you have like a mac and cheese flavor Miracle noodles. It's just the bomb. You can put it on anything technically. So we'll use that. So that's a 1/4 cup of the cheese powder, a cup of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. So I like to use the real Parmesan cheese, not the shaky Parmesan, not for this, but the real Parmesan cheese, the fresh one. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and also 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. So the water you'll put in at the end because you want to see the consistency that forms like a dough. So what I did was take all the dry ingredients in this, apart from the butter and the water, and I just stirred it all together to get it nice and evenly distributed. So that's that. Then we'll add the butter in. And this is one that's fun to make with the kids. Really super tasty. They love doing this. Cooking with the family. Always cook with your kids, guys, because it's just fun. And they remember those times when you cook with them. Believe me, I know, because my kids remember when I cook with them. And when I make fun treats for them. So once you put the butter in, get it stirred really well. Okay. And it's almost like a dough consistency, guys. So what I like to do is just put 1 teaspoon of water at a time in. You won't probably need more than 1 or 2. Let's see. So see, this is a crumbly dough right now. So I got the water right here, some spring water. Oops, it's not really it. It's a tablespoon. Get that sprinkled in there. Let's see how much we'll need. So have you guys ever made crackers, homemade crackers before? Let me know if you made homemade crackers, or even if you made my cheese crackers from the website. Let me know, guys. They're really good. And comment how delicious they are if you did make them. So okay, guys, so all I needed was 1 tablespoon of water. See that? And it became like you want it to be like a thick dough, so it's pliable. Okay? So let's move this water out the way. And what you're going to do, let me move my monitor. Get all these things out the way first. Get yourself 2 pieces of parchment paper and a rolling pin. Okay, so what you're going to do is put the dough in between the paper. Set this on the side for a second. Put the dough in between the parchment paper, and you're going to shape it like a rectangular shape, because what you're going to do is cut this into squares once you roll it out. So the thicker that you make these or roll this out to be, the thicker your cracker will be. If you want a thinner cracker, it'll be crispier basically, and a thicker cracker, it'll be a little more thicker and softer. So you want to kind of go towards a thinner cracker. So first shape it. This is my method, but you can shape it and do it whatever way you want, as long as you get this cracker shape. I just like to press it all together because you want to get that dough nice and pressed before you put the other piece of parchment paper on top and roll it out. So do that like that. Get your second parchment paper. Okay, so I rolled it flat to about 1/8 inch, kind of like cracker size, and then I slice it up with the pizza cutter, which makes it super easy. Poke some holes in it so it looks just like cheese crackers. So what we're going to do is take it and take a cookie sheet, a baking sheet, and just slide it right on the baking sheet. Super simple, super easy, guys. Then we're going to bake it for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you how the crackers look and taste especially. All right, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back and the low carb cheddar crackers are all done. So what I did was I flipped them over, let them crisp up a little more on the other side, and the longer you let them sit out, they'll get more crispier. And once they do that, just dust them with some additional powder because you know the powdered cheese is delicious, so you want to add more. And that's how they came out. So yummy, guys. So we're going to give one a try just to make sure they taste good. Let's see. Man, so good, guys. I love it. Definitely give these ones a try. Super kid friendly. The kids will absolutely love them. Good for after school snack for them as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe so that you can see more recipes that I make, and also hit the bell so that you don't miss a beat when I upload a new video. So I'm Rosemarie from Faith for Keto Kitchen. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.